Hello guys, welcome back here. I hope you're doing well and having an amazing day. You guys ignore my voice today because I am not feeling well. But you guys, I cannot wait to share with you my new makeup finds of TJ Maxx and Marshalls because these finds are insane and unbelievable. So without wasting any time, let's hop right in. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please you guys subscribe and support me. I would appreciate you. Now you guys, let's hop right in. And can you guys believe I found Laura Lee eyeshadow palettes here at TJ Maxx? If you don't know who she is a big YouTuber and also she runs her small business. So I found two of her eyeshadow palettes here at TJ Maxx. This is her Nudie Patootie palette. This palette has came 2 years ago and right now it is on her website for $45 you guys, and here at TJ Maxx I found it for only $16.99. This is crazy. If you haven't tried anything from her brand and you find it here at TJ Maxx, you can definitely give them a try. So affordable here. And also they have this Laura Lee Cat's Pajama eyeshadow palette. This palette is out of stock from her website. Here at TJ Maxx this is going for $10.99 and that's how the shades looks like. Not that exciting, but $10.99 is not bad at all if you want to try it. And also they have this Buxom Divine Goddess Luminizing Highlighter Palette. That's how the shades looks like. Pretty beautiful. This is going for $14.99. And they also have these Estee Lauder travel exclusive travel in color gift sets. So these are for $29.99 and this is what you get inside. So you get few lip products, eyeshadows, and a brush, liner, mascara, and this pretty bag as well. All of this going for $29.99. And you guys, they also have this Divine Shine Glows Trio from Smashbox going for $14.99 and that's how the shades looks like. Also, I found one more set from Benefit. This is Brow Raising Lineup. So it has 3 mini brow winners. I love Benefit brow products. So this set is going for $14.99 and I found it in the shade 4. I hope to see this in more shades in the future. And you guys, they have brand new Morphe makeup here at TJ Maxx. So this is a color pencil from Morphe. I love their eye pencils so much. So I found these pencils in L'Oreal, Fantasy, and Dusty, 3 different shades going for only $1.99 each. This is super exciting. And also I found one single piece of lipstick from Morphe. This was in the shade Steamy, going for only $3.99. Also, I found a Morphe Dimension Effect Contour Stick in 4 different shades here at TJ Maxx, effective 19, 17, 13, and 15 for only $4.99. Also, I found a bunch of these Pure Bronze Your Selfie Face and Body Bronzer. So this is going for only $4.99 at TJ Maxx. Also, they have this new product from Pure. This is Pure Crystal Clear Jumbo Highlighter and Bronzer Palette for only $4.99. Also, they have this Bobbi Brown Molten Drama Eye Palette. That's how the shades looks like. This one is going for $34.99 at TJ Maxx. Also, you guys, this time they have a bunch of Smith & Gold products here at Marshalls. So this is Flash Flush Cream Blush in the shade Warm Pink for $6.99. This brand sells at Ulta, pretty expensive brand. And they also have this Glitter Shot All Over Glitter Crush in the shade Bronze for $4.99. And also they have this glitterish shimmer lip veil for $5.99. This was in the shade Peony Pink. And also they have this Fractal Prismatic Lip Sheen in the shade Pink going for $5.99. Also they have brow product from this same brand. This is Build Brows Volumizing Eyebrow Powder in 2 different shades I found for only $4.99 each. Also now they have a bunch of NARS Ignited Eye Palettes. These are going for $29.99. Also, you guys, they have a bunch of Laura Mercier lip pencils. These are very good. I love this formula. So this is going for only $5.99, and I found in the shade Saffron, Naked, and also the shade Persian Red. And also they have a tons of Laura Mercier lipsticks. So I found in the shade Coral, Rouge Ultimate, Violet, Mauve, Chocolate Divine. These are for $9.99 each. They also have this brush set from BH Cosmetics. So in this set you get 5 face brushes. It has eyeshadow brushes, contouring brushes, and different type of brushes. This is going for $12.99. Also, they have this very cool set from Physician Formula. So it has a CC concealer, CC cream, and also CC powder. This is going for only $6.99. I really like their CC creams. They also have one more piece of vegan milk moisturizer. This is a mini size of product for $4.99. They also have It Cosmetics all over shadow and angled liner brush. So this is a dual ended brush going for $9.99. Also, they have this pure powder in 3 different shades at TJ Maxx for $4.99 each. And they have a tons of pure out of the blue palettes for $5.99 each. And look at this, you guys, they have a bunch of eye polish from Pure in 3 different shades. I found these. So it comes with a applicator as well. This is going for only $3.99 each, and I found it in these 3 different shades. Also at TJ Maxx they have a bunch of Pure Love Yourself E3 sets. So it comes with a mascara and blush, highlight, bronzer, and eyeshadows. All of this is for $6.99. Also they have these Laura Mercier Sketch and Intensify pomade and powder brow duo for $9.99, and also a tons of Secret brightening powder in the shade 2. I hope to see the shade 1 for $9.99. Also they have a tons of Stila Happy Hour palettes. These are for $19.99 at TJ Maxx. Before it was $16.99. They have increased the price a little bit. This palette is beautiful. Also they have this Creme Shop Brighten and Restore pink packaging mask as well. Before we found that purple one. How cute are these packagings. So this is a set of 3 going for $3.99. Also they have this new brush set from Mara. So this brand is very good for brushes, you guys. I have used a bunch of their brushes and they works great. So this is for $9.99 and you get 5 brushes. And this set also have a brush bag as well. And now you can find these Pure Extrol top of the charts at Marshalls as well. Before I found these at TJ Maxx. These are for $6.99. And you guys, this primer is my favorite, and I have picked this up from TJ Maxx as well. So this is for $9.99, and they have a tons of Urban Decay and Cannonball mascaras for $9.99. At Marshalls they have a tons of MAC lipsticks. So I found the shade Maison Rouge, which is 425, and also the shade 232 and 408, 502, 428. So these are for $7.99 each. And they also have this lip gloss from MAC in the shade Fashion Scoop going for $5.99. And they have the e.l.f. sponge and cleanser duo for only $4.99. I love e.l.f. Sponges and I highly recommend you guys. And also these sponges are amazing from Urban Studio. If you want a good sponge, you can always pick these up from TJ Maxx. These are for only $3.99 each and works great. And also if you like Bare Minerals original powder, they have a tons of these in a lot of different shades for only $7.99 each. And you guys, they still have these NARS Disco Baby set. So it has a sharpener and this lip crayon. This is going for only $5.99. Also they have a tons of Fox Bay products. This is a hair care brand, pretty famous. So I found their heat protector, their leave-in hair mask, and also leave-in conditioner for $6.99. and this is their dry shampoo. This is the full size of product for only $6.99. And you guys, I love this Innisfree brand. This is a Korean brand. I found apple seed cleansing foam from this brand. This is going for $7.99. Also, they have this brush from Sephora. This is number 72, going for only $5.99. Full big size of brush, awesome price. And also they have this Kabuki brush from ELF, going for only $3.99. Also, they have this Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner in shade black, going for only $2.99. Also, they have this big packaging of Shiseido brightening products, very beautiful packaging. So it has one full size of moisturizer and three small sizes of products. This is going for $44.99. And also they have this Elizabeth Arden Visible Difference Day and Night Duo. So it has two moisturizers included for $24.99. Also, they are restocking on Urban Decay Naked Skin foundations. We never find it in a bunch of shades. I hope to see it in my shade, going for $10.99. And they have restocks of Stila Timeless Treasures Stay All Day liquid lipstick set. So it has 3 lipsticks. And also they have these Coperi deodorants. I don't know how it works, but going for $4.99. This is a vegan brand. And also they have this Korres Deep Wrinkle Plumping Plus Age Spot Concentrate for $19.99. And you guys, they have a tons of Kevyn Aucoin contour palette, lip gloss set, and also face and eye palette jewel pop. So lip gloss set is for $12.99. These are mini size of 4 glosses, and face and eye palette is for $19.99. Also, they have some gorgeous looking ritual gift sets. So these are for $14.99 and it have 4 products included. I am in love with this pink packaging. And also they have this red box for $14.99. How beautiful these are. And you guys, we have find these before. This is MAC Extra Dimension Skin Finish Powders for $14.99. These are beautiful, and these are in the shade Double Gleam. Also at TJ Maxx, they have a tons of these Estee Lauder liquid lipstick set. It has 5 lipsticks for $19.99. I love this packaging. In perfumes, they have this Guerlain Shalimar perfume for only $31.99. For the first time I find Guerlain perfume here. And also they have this Kate Spade in Full Bloom blush perfume for only $31.99. This is a full size of product, and they have this set from Marc Jacobs, very beautiful packaging, for $49.99. Also they have this perfume from brand Givenchy, very expensive brand. So this is full size of perfume going for $59.99. And they also have these small size of Philosophy Fallen in Love fragrance roll-on for $8.99. So this is all for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. You have a wonderful day. Bye bye.